Okay, so to measure whether gas has any weight, we're going to actually use a very similar way of measuring things as whether we were just measuring if a solid or a liquid had weight. If we had a solid, like a book, and we wanted to find out whether it weighed anything, we put it on some scales. And we'd weigh it, and it would tell us how much it weighed. And if we put a bigger book on there, it might weigh more. So, we're going to do a very similar thing with weighing our gases to see if they weigh anything. But there's a bit of a twist. What we're going to do, this is some soda water, so it's fizzy water. You'll be able to hear it when I open this. Okay, so we've got lots of fizz there. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this liquid, because this liquid is full of bubbles. And inside the bubbles, whilst the soda water is a liquid, inside the bubbles are lots of little pockets of gas. So, what I'm going to do is we're going to pour the fizzy liquid into a glass. Okay, and you can hear it. You can hear the bubbling. You can see the bubbles. Inside all of those little bubbles are gas. And what we're going to do is we're going to weigh it first of all. And we're going to get a really, really precise measurement of how much this glass of fizzy water weighs. And this is where it gets interesting. What we're then going to do is we are going to stir the liquid lots and lots and lots of times so that all of the gases escape. So they all get taken out of the liquid. So we're just left with the liquid. There's no more bubbles in there. Okay? Because as I'm sure lots of you know, if you end up stirring a fizzy drink lots and lots and lots, or you shake it a lot and then over time, or you just leave it on the side, it goes completely flat. And that's what's going to happen to our soda water. We're going to get rid of all the bubbles, so the bubbles have escaped. And then we're going to weigh it again. Okay, so we've weighed it before, when it's got the bubbles in it, we got rid of all of the bubbles, so we got rid of all of the gas, and we're going to weigh it again at the end. Now, I wonder, on the next slide, can you tell me what you think this is going to show? So if I've weighed it before, with the bubbles in it, then I've got rid of the bubbles, and then I've weighed it again, why do you think I would have done that? What's this test going to show? Write your answers on the next slide.